I'm Gary Yakubian. I'm president of SVS, and we are here at Rocky Mountain Audio Fest 2014. We're really excited because we have two for us especially, very exciting new product launches. One of them is 4 new speaker designs, all 100% new speaker designs, and the other one is a brand new subwoofer. Obviously, if you know SVS, you know we are phenomenally good at subwoofers, especially subwoofers that bring world-class performance at prices where that wasn't really possible before. And we're really proud of that reputation. We've always offered speakers, but we embarked on a strategy about 4 years ago where we wanted to be known for that same world-class experiences made available to a broader audience than was true before in the realm of full-range speakers as well. And we started at really Rocky Mountain Audio Fest 2 years ago, launching our Ultra Series speakers. These are our Ultra Towers. They got incredibly positive attention at Rocky Mountain, so we were really excited about that. And since then have gotten loads and loads and loads of very supportive reviews, and our customer base has embraced them wonderfully well. These are the Ultra Towers. We've been demoing them all through the show with an Emotiva stack and Oppo Blu-ray, and have been very, very well received, as they always are. The Ultra Towers in this beautiful piano lacquer or in black ash are $19.99 the pair. But the big news for us is what we announced here at Rocky Mountain 2014, and that is our all-new Prime Series speakers. Prime Series speakers are our best attempt over a 2-year span of engineering, driver design, and lots and lots of listening and measurement to apply as much of what we learned in our flagship Ultra Series to a series of speakers that are significantly less expensive, in fact approximately half the price. And this is what we have to show for it, our all-new Prime Towers. As I said before, the Ultra Series towers are $19.99 a pair. Our Prime Towers are $9.99 a pair in black ash finish and $11.99 the pair in this beautiful piano lacquer finish. So just drilling into the technologies a little bit, you may recall from previous announcements and conversations about the Ultra Series, they feature a unique 3.5-way crossover. The two mid-ranges are actually crossed over. They're each in their own sealed sub-enclosure and crossed over at different points. Benefit there is off-axis frequency anomalies called lobing don't occur. And then we have dual opposing 8-inch woofers in their own sub-enclosure ported to the rear, so incredible low-frequency extension. How to take that unique design and apply it to our Prime Towers was a huge conversation for us and a big engineering project. We actually did develop a 3.5-way crossover as well for the Prime Towers for a different reason. We wanted to have exceptional low frequency extension, but we also wanted to have a seamless interface to the mid-range. So each of these, the two bass drivers are in their own sub-enclosure that is ported, and the mid-range is in its own sealed sub-enclosure, and the tweeter is in its own sealed sub-enclosure. Each one crossed over at its own slightly different point to create a seamless customer experience in terms of frequency response, both on-axis and off-axis. So super excited about it. We've gotten incredible positive feedback from the Rocky Mountain community, and you know they are the most discerning audio community on the planet. So super excited. This is our 2-channel room. We actually have 2 rooms. So I'd like to take you now over to our multi-channel room where I'll show you the rest of the Prime Series family and our all-new PC2000 subwoofer. Okay, here we are in our multi-channel room, and I have the privilege of showing you the rest of our Prime Series speakers. First, I want to show you our all-new Prime Series bookshelf. We designed and don't make no mistake, yes, we're showing it in a multi-channel situation, but our Prime Series bookshelf was designed to be a reference monitor that could deliver a complete experience in a 2-channel setting, or work as front or even surround speakers in a great home theater. And our Prime Series speakers are, believe it or not, $4.99 the pair for what we think is an incredible high-performance audio experience. Also in the range, we are launching our all-new three-way prime center speaker. At $349, you will almost never see a three-way center channel speaker, and we really felt strongly that we wanted to deliver the benefits of a three-way center that's sonically matched to work with any of the other Prime Series speakers at a price point that's affordable for more folks. And maybe the sleeper of the bunch, and I'm gonna walk over here to show you, is our, again, all new, the first ever SVS satellite. And a high-performance audio company might not ever think about making a satellite speaker. What we said as a design team was, is it possible to make a satellite mini monitor speaker that is actually capable of delivering great music and home theater experiences and not just be a lifestyle product that's a bit of a throwaway for in terms of its sound quality? So what we started with are absolute top quality drivers that we designed. In fact, the tweeter in the Prime satellite is identical to the tweeter in the rest of the range and very similar to the tweeter in the Ultra Series speakers. And we added to that, we configured the speaker with a regular world-class real audio crossover. What we ended up with is one of the most versatile speakers on the planet, capable of working even without a subwoofer in a two-channel system, or as a surround speaker, or even front or center speaker in a home theater. And we have packaged it with our already well-reviewed SB1000 subwoofer in 2.1 setting at $699 with 2 satellites and a subwoofer, or 5.1 configuration, 5 satellites, and our SB1000 subwoofer for $999. The Prime satellite's available in vinyl wood grain wrap for $269 a pair, or hand-applied piano lacquer finish for $349 the pair. And then what you expect from SVS, exciting subwoofer news. At CES in January, we launched our 2000 series, our SB2000 sealed box and our PB2000 ported box. The SB2000 immediately became our #1 seller and has continued to be since that time. It's also been the beneficiary of many, many reviews, as has the PB2000. The SB2000 is $699, the PB2000 is $799. Now, a ported subwoofer is a phenomenal experience. It can deliver incredible SPL, fantastic low frequency extension, but some folks don't have the sheer floor space to support a ported subwoofer. How do you deal with that? Well, SVS is the only subwoofer company on the planet that delivers subwoofers in the cylinder form factor, which verticalizes what the cabinet volume you need for a high-performance ported subwoofer and uses a cylindrical cabinet shape in order to do that. It sounds easy, but it isn't, because you have to have a lot of different manufacturing and design strategies in order to maintain the integrity of the enclosure. So we've done that very, very well. What we wanted to do was update the cosmetics and make them work in more folks' homes, and that's what this is, our all-new PC2000 subwoofer. Basically an exact replica of the performance you get from the PB2000, which is an absolute beast, verticalized in a 16.5-inch floor footprint and designed to deliver over-the-top experiences in pretty much any room. And so that's what we have this weekend in October at 2014 Rocky Mountain Audio Fest. Thanks for listening.